In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct pronunciation in ElevenLabs. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and press enter. From the results, click the official ElevenLabs site to open it. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the text-to-speech area. This is where you'll type your script and guide the voice on how to pronounce tricky words. If the interface looks slightly different on your end, don't worry. The wording might vary, but you're looking for the text-to-speech or speech synthesis section. In the prompt box, write your script as you normally would, but for any words that often get mispronounced, brand names, names of places, or technical terms, use the CMU pronouncing dictionary code to steer the voice. The CMU system uses alphabet phonemes, which look like capital letters with optional numbers that show stress. For example, EY1 indicates a stressed AI sound, while AH0 is an unstressed UH. You can quickly look up a word's phoneme sequence in the CMU dictionary and then include that sequence alongside the word in your text. Keep it clear and concise so the model knows exactly what you're targeting. A practical approach is to place the phoneme sequence right where the word appears in your script, so the instruction is immediately contextual. This is especially helpful for words with multiple valid pronunciations. You can pick the one you want and ensure consistency throughout the read. Next, look for the model selector in the text-to-speech page and change the model. Choose 11 Turbo V2. This model is fast and generally follows pronunciation guidance very well, especially when you provide explicit phoneme instructions. If you've used other models and found them less consistent with phoneme hints, switching to 11 Turbo V2 can make a noticeable difference. When your text and pronunciation notes are ready, click Generate Speech. Listen to the result carefully. If a word still doesn't sound right, refine the phoneme sequence, double-check stress numbers, and generate again. Small tweaks, like shifting a primary stress from 2 to 1 or swapping a vowel phoneme, can immediately fix the sound. Keep your sentences clean, avoid unnecessary symbols around the phoneme codes, and test short segments before generating long passages. With these adjustments in place, you'll get natural, accurate pronunciations without interrupting the flow of your script.